Congratulations, Jordan and Rose. Greetings from Philippines.
Hello, Bon! Congratulations on your wedding.
We're so happy to see you so in love with your forever partner.
We love you! See you soon! Bye! Ay, paano ba?
Tita Bonsai,
Tito Bonsai,
Tito Jordan.
Tito Jordan,
Yeah, see you in the Philippines.
in the Philippines.
Hey, Daddy. Daddy. Hi. Hello, Bonsai or Rose and Jordan. Congratulations to both of you. God bless your marriage. And I wish you all the best and more kids to come. See you soon here in the Philippines. Hello, Rose and Jordan. Congratulations and best wishes. Bye!
Congratulations! Jordan saka
Rose.
Rose.
God bless you.
Wedding day.
God bless.
God bless. Bless. Happy wedding to you.
Bonsai Jordan. Jordan.
Jordan from Philippines. Happy wedding to Jordan. Happy wedding, Bonsai. Bonsai. Happy wedding. I miss you. Lalo yung husband mo.
Hi, Bonsai and Jordan! Happy wedding! Wish you all the luck. Baby agad, ha?
Lalar.
Hello! See you in the Philippines!
Hi, send us dollar. I mean, send us dollar. Not by
See you soon! Good luck for your new chapter in life.
Twins.
Bye! Love you!
Jordan.
Hello, Tito Bons.
Happy wedding. Yeah, congratulations Antoinette and Jordan. Congratulations to you both. Happy wedding.
Congrats, Tito Bonsai and Jordan.
Yuhu! Nakaluti kasi ako eh. Best wishes, Ate Bons and Jordan. Uwi na para ma-meet namin yung bagong halal. Love you!
Hello po Tito Bons and Tito Jordan. Best wishes po sa inyo. Uwi na po kayo para ma-meet po namin ang bagong kasal. At excited na rin po akong makita ang baby nyo po at makalaro po namin nila Mia at Lexi. Love you both po. Congrats.
Hi, congratulations Bonsai and your husband.
Congratulations po, Tita Bonsai.
Congratulations.
Hi, congratulations to both of you. Having God at the center of your marriage guarantees perfection in all imperfect circumstances. And just we ask, we enjoy every day of our difference. Jordan and Rose, I wish and I pray that you both will be confident in love of our God and face life assured of His grace day by day. May the Lord infill you with His Spirit to abound in love for Him and for one another. God is our strong foundation in our relationship. And God give us love, patience, forgiveness, kindness, humility, contentment, and peace of mind. God is first. We entrust everything, even in our dreams, good or bad situation. And always remember, the Lord is always by your side and your family. May God bless you both on this special journey of your marriage. Kuya and I want to congratulate you to both of you and best wishes. We love you.
Hello, Bonsai and Jordan! Congratulations on your big day. Wishing you both a very happy and blessed married life. Congrats! Take care!
Ay, congrats. Congrats. Happy wedding ka muna. Happy wedding. Hi, Bonsai. Happy wedding. Congrats.
Congratulations, sis Rose and Jordan. May you have a wonderful life in the future and God bless always.
Congrats, Rose and Jordan. Wish you all the best. Take care.
Congratulations, Baba and Tita Jordan. We love you.
Congratulations, Ate Rose and Kuya Jordan. Best wishes sa inyong dalawa at take care always. We love you so much.
Bigger. God bless.
Congratulations, Ate Bonsai and Kuya Jordan. Best wishes.
And we hope to see you soon.
Congratulations on becoming a family. I'm sure that you have a lot of fun together. You are a perfect couple. Everyone knows that. Congrats both of you, Jordan and Rose. Best wishes. I love you so much. God bless you.
Hello, Jordan and Rose. Congratulations and best wishes. Today is the beginning of your new life. You both will start a new phase, a new chapter of your life, and building your own family. Love, respect, understand each other is the key to have a happy family. Jordan, I leave my daughter to you now. Her life is in your hands. Please do take care of her. Take good care. Love and understand her shortcomings. Sometimes she's stubborn. Please be more patient, especially now that she's carrying a baby. And to Jordan's family, I want to thank you all. Thank you very much for accepting those. To be part of your family, especially Jordan's mother. Rose always tell me everything you've done to her. You always giving her even a small thing, sending her flowers, giving her a consent, everything. I really appreciate it, especially now that you've done all the efforts for the preparations. Thank you very much. And I'm sorry I'm not there to help you. And also to your brothers and sisters, Jordan, thank you for giving baby needs, and her sister for fixing the venue, to decorate the venue. Thank you everything. Thank you to all. I was telling enjoy your special day. I wish you both I wish you to have a good marriage, have a good life, and be a good parents to your children. Bye.
Happy wedding! See you soon here in the Philippines.